Hi everyone, good evening. If you can see me clearly, then give me a yes in the chat box so that I know that I'm audible and I'm visible. Yes? Thank you so much for letting me know. Yes. So, guys, today's session is going to be a very, very informal session. You just have to be very comfortable, letting me know that if you want to start your career as a healer, if you want to launch yourself, if you want to also reach out to a lot of clients, if you also feel that it's amazing to give my knowledge, give my advice, make a client feel better, make a friend feel better, make a relative feel better, and this is my innate nature that I can make anybody from a crying sad face to a smiling face. And if this can be your career and you can get paid for it, this is like a wow thing. How many of you feel this is a wow feeling? If you feel that whenever you meet someone who is upset and you can make bring a smile on their face, then that's amazing. Do you feel that you enjoy doing this? How many of you feel this is a wow feeling? Type in wow if you feel that this gives you a lot of joy. Arti says, I feel wow. Neha says, wow. Charan feels wow. That's amazing. Sudha also, yes. This is the same thing that happened to me. So I'm just beginning by telling you how I started my career, because this is going to give you an insight of how you can also start your career. I'm going to give you a proper roadmap if you want to launch yourself. But apart from that, I'm going to start by telling you that I started learning healing. And I think this is exactly how every person lands into healing. 90% of the people, because of their own self. They all have some story in their life because of which they bump into healing. They are interested in it. How many of you feel that you had some reason and that is why you started learning healing? You had some issue in your life. You bumped into this, particular feeling that, I think there is an answer in this healing. Type yes if you feel that you are one of them who started learning healing because of your own self. All right. The two people, three people, four. Yes, very much. We all are like that. We all start. There's a beautiful quotation which says, when there is a crack, light enters. Right? When there's a crack, meaning when your heart is broken, when somebody has really hurt you, when somebody has really cheated you, when somebody has really, you know, absolutely broken you apart, that's when light enters. What is light over here is the healing energy. That's why, the most ancient, powerful healing modality, which we call Reiki, is nothing but white light. It is as simple as just giving white light to a person, and the person can feel instantly healed. How magical is that, right? So, in my life, also, I had a crack, a big one, a big crack, after which light entered. And once light entered, it just lit up my entire life. I really have seen a very beautiful version of my life after this light has entered my life. So yes, I started learning healing for my own self. I started implementing one by one, trying to learn more, understand more, know more. And when I started understanding, I felt this was very magical. This was something really wonderful that could change my life. And I started on a very fast pace. I was not someone who used to wait that let this course finish, let this coaching finish, and let me do the second one, and then we do the third one. No. I was so much in love with the subject that I started learning course over course over course over course. And I was doing a lot of things parallelly. And I just fell in love with the subject so much so that I started giving advices to people in a very formal way, but I had not yet charged for it. In around lockdown, somewhere there, I learned professionally how to, launch yourself, and online how you could be successful. I did learn. What was the biggest challenge? What I felt was there are a lot of business coaches out in the world. How many of you agree there are everybody who teaches you how to be a business coach, how to launch yourself? There are many of them, and some of them are super, super successful. Yeah, right. One of the biggest challenge that I had is they never teach us how healers can launch themselves. Why? Because healers have their own challenges when it comes to launching yourself. And what are those challenges? Is the first one is the business coaches teach you how to make an ad, how to make a landing page, how to do marketing, how to make your funnel, how to do the technical automation and integration, and how to do all these things by yourself, how to build a team. and you feel like this is amazing, let me do this, and you learn how to build a landing page, you learn how to make your website, you learn how to make your funnel, you learn how to edit ads and all of that. And then when you come and sit and you are not aware how to price this person, how to quote this person, how to do the combination of healing modalities, how to give the guarantee when a person says, is this sure that you can give me results, and so many more challenges. And that's why I felt like I had learned landing pages, I had learned marketing, I had learned all of that. And eventually I saw that Madhura, the healer, had started becoming Madhura, the marketer, where I felt I'm learning landing pages, editing, I'm learning funnels, automation, integration, how to take a link from here and there, and all of that. And I felt that no, 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 this is not what I want to do. And that's when I decided that this is one of the biggest challenges I'm sure every other person in my community is also facing. Let me teach them how to do that, because I have a community of 9,000 people. I'm so grateful. It's a beautiful community of 9,000 healers, and all of them have learned so many healing modalities. And there came a time when they asked me, ma'am, हमने healing सीख लिया, we have learned healing, clients कहाँ हैं, क्लाइंट्स कहाँ से लाए, कहाँ से उनको हील करे, कहाँ से उनको गाइड करे, कहाँ से उनको काउंसिल करे. So why don't you teach us how to get clients, or why don't you give us the clients? So I said, this is a wonderful idea, I can give them clients. I was anyway getting a lot of clients for healing. Then I said, the community is 9,000 people. Even if 1,000 people are interested in healing and I have to give them clients, how would I be able to give clients to 1,000 people? Also, if I have to give them clients, they will always be dependent on me. Why don't I make them independent? Whether Madhura is there or no, they start generating clients. They start counseling clients. They start bringing about a transformation in somebody's life. They start bringing a smile on somebody's life, in somebody's face. They start, understanding how to charge, how to price, how to package, how to design, how to have active income, how to have passive income. And I want healers to have a lot of name, fame, lot of money, lot of luxuries. I want them to enjoy all the luxuries, because I feel like, every profession is so popularly growing. AI is popularly growing, but healers are still not growing. I feel healers are still in the phase where someone says, what do you do? And if healers say, I'm a healer, they say, what? What is a healer? Who is a healer? What do you do exactly? And I feel, how many of you have felt like this, that you don't want to introduce yourself as a healer because you really feel that they don't understand. Rather, you will tell your, degree, or you will tell your some other alternative profession. You don't feel comfortable to tell somebody that you're a healer. Is there anybody who feels like that? Or you're comfortable? Type in yes if you feel comfortable. Type in no if you feel that they won't understand, and that's why I don't want to say. Is there anybody who feels like that? There's no point telling healer, because, yeah, you don't feel like telling you're a healer because they may not understand what it is. What is a healer? Who is a healer, right? That's why I said, let's bring in a lot of name, lot of fame, lot of recognition, lot of money, absolutely lot of smiles into a lot of healers' lives. And that is why this beautiful course called Super Healer was born. And from then, there are more than 200 plus super healers who have enrolled themselves, launched their courses, started healing a lot of clients, earned more than 20-30 lakhs, all by this course of super healers, started bringing that transformation, and they have seen immense results. About 20-25 days back, I had a physical event in Bangalore, and we had 100 plus people from all over India who came in. And I allowed my super healers to share their journey, where they spoke about how they started their journey from being zero to starting earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. And, we have people who have started earning up to 20 lakhs also, which is amazing. How many of you feel you also want to be in that journey? Type in lakh, LAKH. Wow, wonderful. Anybody else? Just 4 of you want to earn 1 lakh? 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs per month. How amazing is it if you can start earning? It looks like a dream, right? Yeah. But let me tell you, we all have dreams, right? We all have that wishes ke hum bhi aisi car kharidenge. We also want to take that, that cloth off that supercar. We also want to buy a house. We also want to buy all those beautiful things. We want to give luxuries to our family. We want to have that name, fame, recognition. We want people to recognize us, people to count on us. Yes, we want to make our own identity. Yes, Aarti, absolutely. And that is why Super Healer is one of those courses which gives you that financial freedom. And along that financial freedom, a lot of people who bless you that thank God I met you. Thank you so much that you came into my life. I wish you had come a little early. That's how people say, because that's exactly what you do into their life. When you use AI, you're actually using artificial intelligence, right? But when you use HI, which I say healing intelligence, I feel you use your heart, you use your soul, you use your energy to bring that smile on another person's face. And that is the most powerful thing that you can ever do. Yeah. Niharika says, I want a peaceful house which I can call my own. Niharika, this was my dream too. I had a Reiki box in which I had actually written that I want to have my own house, which is going to be my dream house. And believe me, in 2 years, I bought this house in Bangalore, which is exactly what I had visualized. Every little thing that I feel, that this is how I want my house to be, it is that. Everyone has seen that journey of my previous house, my present house, and so many other things. The previous Madhura, the new Madhura. All of this has really brought a lot of positivity into my life. And now I want each one of you to take that path so that you can also bring in a lot of positivity into your life and then a lot of other people's life. And that's why Super Healer is here. Yes. So Vasudha says blessings are more powerful and give immense abundance in life. Vasudha, in fact, I think it is so good when someone says that to you, that after meeting you, my life has changed. After learning from you, my life has changed. After connecting to you, my life has changed. After connecting to you, I've started seeing life differently. That's the way how people speak to you. When I know Vasudha personally, and I feel that she also is a super healer who's actually transformed her life and a lot of other lives. And that's amazing. That's a beautiful feeling when someone counts on you, because when you do this, nobody's you're not giving a diamond necklace to anybody, you're not giving them gold, silver, you're not giving them any of your property. You're giving them a part of your love, which can absolutely transform their life. And that is why a healer's life is very special, and a healer's life is very, very, very close to your heart. So how many of you here feel that you also want to be that super healer who wants to transform lives and live that life of abundance and help a lot of people? Type SH in the chat box and I'm going to give you that exact roadmap. I'll tell you why it is very essential for you to be that super healer, because it's not just about you. It's about many other people who are waiting to be healed from you. Because let me tell you that I have met a lot of people who have called me in the absolute wrong hours and told me that, ma'am, you must talk to me. I'm in the very bad phase of my life and you must talk to me. And when I spoke to them, maybe it was a 5 minute, 7 minute, 8 minute call. But after that call, they said that we were about to give up. We were about to end this life. But after this 5 minute call, after this 8 minute call, I feel better. I see a ray of hope. I feel that things can be better, life can be better. And that is why we want a lot of healers, a lot of super healers to bring that hope in this world where you can actually stop a lot of negativity and bring that positivity. So if you're all ready, let me show you and start sharing my screen. So this webinar is if you're a healer, you're a Reiki healer, angel healer, tarot reader, you're a life coach, you're a hypnotherapist, you're a Ho'oponopono healer, you're an astrologer, you're a Vastu consultant, you're a numerologist, you are a law of attraction coach, anything, then this particular webinar or masterclass or anything is for you. And I want to tell you that it's not going to be very formal, so you can feel free and keep putting your questions in the chat if you feel like asking anything. The journey of a healer, like I explained just now, they start to learn to heal themselves, right? Most of them they start just by healing themselves. Then they see the transformation and they feel, hey, this is amazing. And how many of you after learning will start telling your husband, don't talk like this, don't do like this, don't see like this, don't behave like this. Yeah, you don't have to do, you start telling people, your children, your parents, your wife, no, 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 don't talk like this, don't talk negative, it will become true, it might get manifested. Yeah, all of that will start happening if you start speaking like this, when you learn a lot and you feel, let's do this. Absolutely. Yeah. This is the second version where we start teaching our family. Why don't you say this affirmation? Why don't you do visualization? Come on, you also practice this. Then the third is they start healing outsiders. They find a way where they feel that, let me somewhere get a client, how I can help others apart from the family. So somewhere in their WhatsApp group, or somewhere in their cousins, or in some friend's family, or in some connection, they get someone who is going through a trouble, and you feel, let me heal this person. Then they start to charge outsiders, and they start feeling, how much to charge? I'm not sure. I don't know if this is too much. I don't know if this is less. I don't know if they will give me. After giving me, they will eat my head for results. All of this starts. And then they launch themselves professionally, and they become a super healer, right? This is how a journey of a super healer typically looks like. Now, to become that, let me tell you, it's very essential, because we have so many problems that are happening today. Right from a person who is having a childhood trauma, marriages are getting into problems. You see, every other day, there are people who are not serious about marriage now. They rather say, let's live together, let's have friendship, but let's not get into marriage, because, yes, the number of divorces are increasing. A lot of people who are not getting a career which is stable, they feel that, I'm not getting an increment, I'm not happy with the kind of earning that I'm having, family problems, financial problems, mental trauma, not able to sleep, not able to be peaceful, loneliness. I think this is one of the biggest problem. Even though you're living in a big society, even if you have a lot of crowd around you, you feel very lonely. You know why? It's simply because you can't share your problems with anybody. Nobody understands you. And even if they listen to your problem, they start making fun of you. You feel like, if they get to know my secrets, they will start making fun of me. Rather, I don't want to tell my problems to anybody. I will keep it a secret. And that's why you start feeling, let me just keep everything to myself. Right? How many of you feel you have seen clients like that who don't want to share because they're very scared? If I share my problem with anybody, I don't know what they will think, right? This is very true. That is why it's very essential that as a healer, when you listen to their problems, when you listen to their issues, then you can absolutely help them and guide them. The next thing is, you see depression is increasing, repeated failures that people are having, unsupported feelings that people are having, a feeling of worthlessness that, I'm not good enough. And then there are people who are going into negativity, frustration, confusion. I'm not able to decide things for myself. Divorces are higher, suicidal tendencies, emotional disconnect, addictions, abuses, no direction in life, impatience, low self-esteem. Just look at this. By reading this, also the person's energy can go low. It is that painful to see these problems, and these are increasing day by day. If you notice, anger is increasing, fear is increasing, shame, guilt, greed, feeling low, mood swings, infidelity, doubt, jealousy, revenge. All of this is like the increasing problem of today. And you know what is the solution of all of this? Type in the chat box, what do you think is the solution of all of this? What is the solution? Healing. Absolutely. Absolutely, Neha and Vasudha. Healing is the solution. Chitra, Aarti, perfect. When they heal themselves, they will be more stable. They will be more positive. They will have no wounds. They will know how to handle the situation. They will be emotionally more stable. And they will feel that, yes, I can face this all with a smile. Assuming that they are not able to heal themselves, they can at least meet a healer, and the healer will guide them, counsel them, work on their energies, and give them a lot of support. So what's the job of a healer? To look for anybody who is going through any of these kind of simple problems and give them a solution, right? And the solution comes through various healing modalities. One more area where a healer can be of use is for manifestation work. When someone says, I'm looking for happiness, I'm looking for peace, I'm looking for good health. When I say good health, they are talking about PCOD, they're talking about thyroid, they're talking about diabetes, they're talking about hair fall, they're talking about stress, they're talking about everything that's there in their body which is not working properly. And they feel, no, this should work well. And that's what they refer to as good health. They're looking for emotional balance. When someone says, I will cry easily for anything, anybody who hurts me, I just cry. These are people who are looking for emotional balance. When people say, I'm looking for better finances, I'm looking for better relationships, I'm looking for pure love, I'm looking for, to be inclined towards spirituality. There are people who say, I want to be spiritual, I want to grow. Then healers can definitely help them by making them understand a lot of concepts. A lot of people are looking for the reality behind spirituality. So they say that, is this superstition or is this science? And let me tell you, to each one of you, I'm from a family of doctors. My dad, my sister, my grandpa, my mama, my sister's husband, a lot of people in my family are doctors, and they ask scientific questions when I talk about healing and when I talk about spirituality. And that is why I make it a point that anything that I teach is backed up with science. Hence, science behind spirituality, also, a lot of people are into it, especially the latest generation. If you tell them, do like this, they may not do. But if you tell them, by doing this, you will be benefited like this, as this works like this, they will do it, right? And that is why it's very important to have your concepts very clear, to manage the work-life balance, to be able to take better decisions in life. When people are looking for just that ray of hope, for a little bit of confidence, when they feel that I want to have trustworthy people around me, I want to have that long heart-to-heart talk. I want to remind, how many of you have had this? I want you to remember and tell me, where you have had a friend and you have actually spoken for a really long time, a heart-to-heart talk with them, and felt very good. Like maybe in my college life, or maybe in my school life, I have done that with my friends and had a real deep heart-to-heart talks without any judgments, without any thoughts about what will they think, and I've enjoyed it. How many of you have had this long, heart-to-heart talk ever? Ever? Yes? No? It's been a long time? I have this even now. Amazing. That's very nice. Yes, we all long for it. Long time, yes. It's very rare now. You don't find those kind of friends who can actually give you those right advices, who can resonate to what you say, who can trust. And yeah, so Preet also says it's a long time. I have my ninth standard friend. So even now you're counting on someone who is there in your ninth standard. Today's generation is waiting to have some long talk like this, right? Real bonding. Like someone mentioned, a ninth standard classmate, we want this kind of real bonding now, which is very difficult. Genuine relationships. And then everyone wants to know, what's the purpose of my life? Why was I born? What am I here for? What am I supposed to do? And all of that. So healers can help them with all of this. Now, how can healers help? Is definitely they can help us, people, bridge the gap of science and spirituality. When we talk about angels, when we talk about Reiki, when we talk about card reading, when we talk about Ho'oponopono, EFT, or any healing modality, definitely I'm capable of giving the scientific answers, but then you also should be capable enough to understand that if somebody is saying, do like this and it will help, and say like this, it will help. People who don't know, they will say, aise kaise? Just by doing like this and like this and like this, how is it going to help? So you should be able to give them scientific answers that how can this help. Similarly, healers can definitely help anybody heal their past using various healing modalities. I say using healing logic with magic. Then if somebody says, I don't care about my past, I don't care about my future, I want to improve my present is messed up, you can definitely help them. Somebody says, I want this car, I want this wife, I want this house, I want this job, I want this anything, manifestation, future manifestation, definitely healers can help. Whenever someone says, I want to improve my life in the physical, emotional, financial, mental, spiritual aspects, yes, healers can help. When someone says, I want to know the purpose of my life, healers can help. When someone says, I'm having repeated patterns. I can't attract money in my life. I'm not able to attract a person in my life the way I want. All of that is a sign of a blockage. So healers can help you remove those blockages. And then healers can help you align to your goals, dreams, and desires. So this is how basically healers can help. Now, what are the various healing modalities that you can use? You can use Mani Reiki, Angel Healing, Ho'oponopono, EFT, Theta brain waves, Oracle card reading, Clair powers, karmic blocks, chakra balancing, aura healing, crystal healing, color therapy, feng shui, backflower remedies, planet balancing, NLP, various methods of manifestation. There's Reiki, which are like Shiva Reiki, Hanuman Reiki, angel symbols, mantra meditation, and mindfulness. Various healing modalities are there based on the problem of the person. You can decide which solution. Now, why do you need these so many healing modalities? Let me tell you. Suppose if this was not necessary, even in doctors, they would have said, Sirf MBBS karo, baith jao. Okay. Any problem, give them Crocin. Any problem, give them Crocin. Headache, stomach ache, body ache, and whatever diseases, PCOD, thyroid, skin problem, irritation, immunity, any problem, you just give them Crocin. Does that work like that? No. We definitely need to understand that every problem has a different medical pill. There's a different problem, there's a different pill. Similarly, even I feel in healing, when someone comes with a particular problem, give them a different healing modality. Like I'll give you an example of yesterday. I don't know, maybe the person is here live, but this is what happened. The person asked me, ma'am, somebody wants to improve their money. So which angel do they connect to? I didn't reply for a day. And the very next day, she said, ma'am, you generally reply. Why didn't you reply? I said, no, we are not supposed to connect to angels for money exclusively. You need to use Mani Reiki. So this is an understanding that if you want to work with money, it's Mani Reiki. If you want to do with some other problem, then it's a other modality. When there's some other problem, then it's a other modality. So you need to understand that which crystal, which symbol, which color, which modality that you can use for what problem. And this comes with a perfect experience of combination of various healing modality, which will give you amplified results, right? I am someone who is a huge promoter of learning various healing modalities so that you will be able to have amplified results. People don't have patience. They can't wait for a really long time to get results. They want quick results. And for quick results, we need to use multiple healing modalities, put them together, align to the simple, manifestation of what the person wants. And there you go. The results are fast. I've seen a lot of results with combination of healing modalities. So that's what we do over here. Now, what's the difference between a healer and a super healer? I think each one of you are like thinking, ye kya hai super healer? Again and again, she says super healer. So basically, whenever you want to call yourself a healer, it means that you have the knowledge of healing, you have the skill of healing, you're able to heal yourself, you're able to heal friends and family, right? You're making some money out of it. It is your passion. And you feel, I want to make it your profession. How many of you are already healers? Give me a H in the chat box. Anybody who has learned any healing modality? Super healer means combination of different modalities? No, I'm going to tell you what a super healer means, right? So if you are a healer already, yes, you are a healer, then you can say yes. Jyoti says yes. Suprita says yes, I'm a healer. Fantastic. Lata says yes. Aarti says yes. So you guys are healers. If you want to be a super healer, let me tell you. Yeah, numerologist also is okay. But what is a super healer is someone who has the knowledge and the skill to convert this into a healing modality. I'll tell you how. Now, there's a very easy way how I teach Reiki. I tell them level 1 is white light, level 2 is symbols. This is how you use symbols. These are the conditions that you use symbols. And this is how you put them in the chakras. You seal the energy, blah, 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 blah. And we have a complete 3 days Reiki session and coaching. And then we have the attunement. And there the person meets someone after 2 months and the person says that I'm going through depression. Can you help me? Can you give me Reiki? And they व्हाट्सएप मी, मैम इनको रेकी कैसे देना है? आई सेड यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड इट। नहीं, मुझे समझ नहीं आया कैसे देना है। इनको कौन सा सिंबल यूज करना है? मैम दे आर हैविंग अ रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम, कौन सा क्रिस्टल यूज करना है, कौन सा सिंबल यूज करना है, कौन से एंजल से कनेक्ट करना है, कौन सा मोडालिटी करना है, कितने दिन करना है, कैसे करने से इनको अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा? दीज आर द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चंस दैट they get. So if you're a super healer, you will have the perfect combination of how you can use which crystal, which angel, which symbol, which modality, how many days, how much is the pricing, what is the guarantee of the results, how can I use this all combination to heal, when do I use Reiki, when do I use this, when do I use Ho'oponopono, when I use EFT. Everything, when you have clarity, that when the client comes and they are telling their problem, you have clarity, not confusion, right? Someone is messaging in the chat that I have a lot of confusion. So that's not good. You're still yet to become a super healer. When you are a super healer, you have complete clarity. This is the problem. This is the solution. This is the problem. This is the solution. Whatever it is, physical, mental, emotional, financial, spiritual, any problem, you have the solution, which is super confident. That is when you are able to convert your healing into a skill that which you can use it and implement it, then definitely you're a super healer. You're very confident to heal them professionally. It's your complete profession. You're not just healing एक client January में, दो client February में, चार client March में. No, you're healing a large group of people, earning massive money, and you have a complete roadmap of how I'm supposed to get clients consistently. You have financial freedom and you're earning lots of money with blessings and you're living your life's purpose. This is how a super healer's life is. I've been earning for about 18 years now. It's been 18 years that I'm earning, but after I started earning from healing, in just a span of about 2 to 3 years, I had a huge number of 9,000 students in just a span of 3 years, which is close to 3,000 students every year, which is close to 10 people every single day, which is amazing. At least for me, it's a big number. I don't know how many of you feel that, but 9,000 students for me is a big number where I feel that you're able to impact 9,000 people in 3 years is a beautiful way to touch somebody's life. And that's how I feel that I have been able to hit that speed. And I want each one of you to be able to do that, right? Yes, really, somebody says really big, really big. Yes. For me, it's big. I've been able to buy a beautiful house in Bangalore. You can understand how much the houses in Bangalore costs. Bangalore is a metro city, so it's definitely, I've been able to earn that money in the last 3 years, which I couldn't do in 18 years. And I feel that's the kind of scope healers have. And that is why you should be able to launch yourself as early as possible so that you're able to also do a lot. Now, how did I become a super healer? I have both active and passive income. How do I have active and passive income? अभी आपके साथ बैठ के मैं live बात कर रही हूँ. This is called as active income, where I'm supposed to talk and you are supposed to listen. And then there are people who are learning. Yes, this is called as active income, where if there's anybody who chooses to be a super healer, they enroll in for the program, they go through that 3 months of coaching training and become that super healer. Passive income is where I don't do anything. Absolutely, I don't do anything, but I'm able to earn a lot of money. How does this happen? I have more than 40 plus courses. All right. I have 40 various different courses. And I'm sitting here talking to you, and somebody is buying my courses. Somebody is learning sitting at the comfort of their house. Someone is upgrading their knowledge. Somebody is learning a new skill in healing, for which they pay me. And that's my passive income. Now, I want each one of you to also have these two incomes, active and passive. एक जहां पे आप काम कर रहे हो और आपको पैसा मिल रहा है, दूसरा आप एक बार काम करोगे बट लाइफ टाइम तक आप कमाते ही रहोगे. That's the passive income. I travel a lot, and whenever I travel, I see that it's a beautiful feeling to listen to this ting, 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 ting on the way. And every time it's not just a message, it's a message where you have someone who's enrolled in for your course. This one enrolled in for your course. This one enrolled in your course. How amazing that feeling is, right? So I want you all also to make a lot of courses where you can absolutely have passive and active. How many of you want this passive income? Active income, I know each one of you will do because you will anyway work. How many want Passive earning. Please write PE if you want passive earning. Passive earning is like easy money. You know, जब पहले मुझे लगता था इनके पास बहुत पैसे हैं, इन्होंने पैसिव इनकम कुछ बनाया, मुझे लगता था दो ही तरीके होते हैं. एक होता है इन्होंने रेंट पे बहुत पैसे दिए हैं, राइट? घर है, प्रॉपर्टी है, दुकान है, इन्होंने बहुत सारा रेंट पे प्रॉपर्टी लगाया. दूसरा है इंटरेस्ट पे इन्होंने पैसे उधर इधर दिए होंगे, दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव लॉट ऑफ मनी. एंड आई यूज्ड टू फील मैं दोनों नहीं कर सकती, सो हाउ वुड आई हैव माय पैसिव इनकम? And now I realize this is a very, very powerful passive income that I have. This is more powerful than any of them because I can sell it at one time to hundreds of people. I once was at Wipro and they wanted my chakra balancing course. At one go, just one click, it reached 700 people. That's the power of internet. Right? So I want each one of you to have that passive income, and this will be your super powerful source of income, right? So to each one of you who have typed PE, let me tell you, congratulations on making that decision to be able to generate and have one passive income. Because I think active income we all earn, we work and then we get money, but it's extremely lovely when you have a passive income. You don't work at that particular point, you have maybe put in your effort once, but you're always getting that money. It's amazing to have passive income. So each one of you, I think you should work on this part, which is called as passive income. So I have both this, the active and the passive income. I have my direct sales of pre-recorded courses. I do a lot of sales from webinars. I do a lot of sales from one-on-one counseling and coaching. I train a lot of people on how they can become professional healers and super healers. So these are my various sources of how I am able to, as a super healer, be able to generate money. And I want each one of you also to learn this. These are a few of my people, batch one, who have started their journey and started earning a lot of their money also. If you too want to be that super healer, then you need to have knowledge to heal. You need to have a skill to build and monetize your business around it, right? This is what you need to be that super healer. Now, when I talk about money, when I talk about monetization, how many of you are uncomfortable? Type in me if you feel, no, I'm not comfortable taking money. I'm not comfortable asking money. I feel uncomfortable about money. Not necessary, Niharika. You can do one-on-one with people who are having personal problem. Like if someone is going through some personal problem, they can't tell me in the webinar here that, ma'am, I'm having this personal problem. What they will prefer, ma'am, can I connect with you on a one-on-one call, share my story, and you can give me the solution? I will say yes. And yes, they will connect on a one-on-one call and I give them the solution for which I would charge. The same thing. If you also want to help somebody without doing webinars, you will be pulling them into a one-on-one call, right? When they come on a one-on-one call, you will help them. Niharika, that's what Super Healer is all about. That's what I teach people at Super Healer. How do you do that? I wish I could tell you in one line. I need 3 months to guide you, because getting a client is very easy, Niharika. After getting the client, are you confident? I'm asking you, Niharika, are you confident to charge them? Give me a yes and a no. Are you clear on how to charge them? If someone says, okay, Niharika, this is my problem, I'm ready to pay you. I want 1 month of healing and coaching. What are your charges? What will you say? Are you confident to say? Niharika, I want an answer. If I see they get results, which means you're not confident that you can give them results. Nobody is going to pay you 1 rupee if you say, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can give you results. Nobody is going to pay you, right? But are you confident to say, I'm 100% sure? Are you confident to say that? Are you sure that which healing modality will help them? No. That's why you need super healing, where I will guide you how you can create that magic with logic, how you can bring the results to client, how you can use the combination of healing modalities, how you can bring the transformation in them and bring that smile on their face. So how to get clients, how to charge them, how to heal them, how to make those combinations, all of those guidelines you will be getting in Super Healer. So if there's anybody who says that, I don't have a network of friends or family who will pay me, can I do Super Healer? Yes. I don't have experience, name and fame. Can I be a super healer? Answer is yes. I'm not camera confident. Can I be a super healer? Yes. I don't have followers on Instagram. Can I be a super healer? The answer is yes. I don't know how to make a course. I don't know how to sell it. The answer is yes. I'm not sure how to sell my healing services. Can I be a super healer? The answer is yes. I'm not sure how to find people who will buy my services. Can I be a super healer? My answer is yes. I'm not sure how much to charge. I'm not confident to give results. I'm not confident to counsel in a one-on-one session because they can ask you any random question and you should be empowered to answer them. So, can I still be a super healer? My answer is yes. I know very little healing. Can I be a super healer? My answer is yes. I don't know which modality will work. Can I be a super healer? Can I, want to be a super healer? Yes. I don't know how to structure a course. I don't know how to take a webinar. Can I still be a super healer? My answer is yes. How many of you feel these are your problems because of which you are still not able to make? How many of you are already earning more than lakh rupee in this? Give me a yes in the chat box. Every single month, you're able to make 1 lakh rupee from healing. Already you're doing it. Just type me in the chat box. Okay. How many of you want to make 1 lakh rupee? Give me now yes in the chat box. Want to earn more than 1 lakh rupee every single month consistently? Passive income, active income, want to bring that transformation, want to earn that money where people give you happily, blessing you that, take the money. Thank God I found a solution, right? Each one of you who said yes, let me tell you, what are your problems in this 1 to 14? Give me those numbers. Where do you feel that you're lacking because of which you are a little worried? Which of these are your biggest challenges? Give me those numbers. Take your time. People come with problems. Yes, they should come with the problems. No, out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are a list of things that you have. Which are your problems? Which are your challenges? Which one? Do you feel you're camera confident or you're not camera confident? We must be able to give solution. Yes, Niharika, that's what you are here to learn. 4 and 7. 4 is I don't have followers. 7 is I'm not sure how to 5. Yes, Vidya Shankar, you will learn that. Nirmala says 5, 6, 7, 10. Very honest. 5, I don't know how to make a course. I'm not sure how to sell my healing services. I don't know how to find clients. I'm not confident to counsel in a one-on-one. Numerologist Nirmala Sridhar, I want to tell you that maximum amount of money you can earn from one-on-one. What I said about 1 lakh rupee, if you just have a few clients, you will be able to make that 1 lakh rupees. So you must learn how to be, that super healer who is confident to counsel in a one-on-one. Competition? Niharika, if there was competition, I wouldn't be teaching you how to be that super healer because with every batch that I create, I'm creating more competition for myself. How many of you feel you agree? Yeah, if I teach you how to get clients, how to make courses, how to take one-on-one, how to take a webinar, how to structure, how to heal, I'm creating confident competition for myself, right? Now, Niharika, if I think like that, I will never be able to grow. I always feel when you share knowledge, you grow. So I want to tell you, Niharika, if there is competition, you have to be super amazingly confident and competitive. You can't be an average healer. You have to be a super healer. Type in Niharika, you have to be a super healer. If you're an average healer, 100% there's competition because there are a lot of people who are average healers. They have learned some little bit healing here and there. They're having half knowledge. They're not able to, heal anybody. They're not able to confidently charge. They're not able to confidently say that I can help you. They're stuck. That's where competition exists. But when you are at the top, when you are the best at what you do, that's when you become a super healer. 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So for each one of you, I'm here to guide you, help you, and give you the roadmap to become that super healer. And now, those of you who feel you want to be that super healer and want to get that insight, I want to tell you that there are a lot of things that we know, things that we don't know. So I'm sure that those of you who message that these are my problems, Vasudha has been super honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and many more numbers, which means that Vasudha is very honest that I want to learn a lot. There is a lot for me to learn, right? I must appreciate for being honest. There are a lot of people who have shared these messages happily that, I am very happy that finally I am able to heal I'm able to learn, I'm able to teach, right? These are all the testimonials that people have written for me. I want each one of you also to get these kind of testimonials, right? And for that, you have to be a super healer. A super healer who is ready to learn various healing modalities, to earn massively, to earn actively and passively, to be able to reach a lot of people, to be a secret Santa in somebody's life, to be confident to heal, to charge, to be very confident to bring that massive transformation in people, who is so happy that, I'm very happy what I'm doing. I don't need to miss anything. And they feel very fulfilled. So if you want to be that, here is my Heal and Grow's 90 days roadmap to becoming that super healer, which is my 90 days mentorship. We have 200 plus people who have finished this course, got a successful results. Each of them have shared their results and have, were invited to the event and were allowed to talk. And if you also feel you want to be part of this 90 days roadmap, April month end, we are having this batch of super healers where I'm going to be live every week. Okay, weekly once we're going to sit live on a Zoom meeting like this, where I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide where I'll tell you step one, do this. You don't have to think anything. Don't use your brain, use my brain. Because if you feel that I've got 9,000 students and it's good, and you feel you can also want to do at least half of it, just use my brain. Step two, do this. Step three, do this. Step four, do this. Like this, in just about 90 days, we are able to build a business around healing. We are able to help a lot of people. We are able to bring about that smile and transformation in a lot of people and earn, along with this, right? So those of you who have that blockage about money that, I don't know if I should be talking about money like this. I too had that blockage. I used to feel, how can I ask money to people? I feel uncomfortable to ask money to people. But let me tell you that you're doing one of the bestest thing. You're touching somebody's life. And to improve their life, if you're charging them, there's absolutely no problem. Absolutely no problem. They will give you happily and they will thank you after paying that. I'm so happy I chose you. I'm so happy I chose your services. I'm so happy that I actually did this, right? So don't worry. So those of you who want this 90 days roadmap, stay back. Those of you who feel, no, that's not great, then you may say good night to me and leave. But I'm here to share my 90 days roadmap for sure. I'm confident to teach you because I've been there, done that. I started from zero and made over 2 crore in the last 3 years. And this is going to be a closed group mentoring where we don't have like a huge crowd of people, but we have a very small group of people. We will be connecting on Zoom and we will be having a one-on-one call assessment before you join in to qualify whether you are capable of becoming a super healer or no. That is also important. You feel in your mind, okay, I will join this mentorship, I can do it, but then I need to assess you that can you become or no. I will be honest in telling you that this is possible. Week one, I'm going to give you 10 courses of your choice, whatever you want. I have like 40 plus courses, so you can choose any 10 courses. This access is going to be instant and this access is going to be for a lifetime. It will be there with you. There are various courses that I have. You can choose whichever you want. Week two, I want to position you as a specialist, right? I want to position you as a specialist about some particular aspect. And I want you to work on your own self-transformation. So week two begins about you healing yourself. So I'm going to give you a lot of things that you can do in your own life to bring that transformation right from the week two. Week three is where you learn what are the various ways to create that passive income and active income. So as we start guiding you on how you can build your business around passive and active income. Week four, I start teaching you how you can start designing your course, right from curriculum designing to script designing to number of chapters, how to start the introduction, how to have your content, how to have the conclusion, how to use this pre-recorded course for multiple ways. All that you will be learning. And at the end of this super healer course, you will be having your course absolutely ready. How amazing is that? How many of you have taken courses from others? Until now, you have taken a lot of courses from others. Type yes in the chat box. I want to tell you, Vasudha, you are super quick at answering. Very good. Lovely. How many of you want others to buy your courses now? It's time that others buy your courses. बहुत ले लिया दूसरों के courses, अब आपकी courses बिकनी चाहिए और लोग आपके courses लेना चाहिए, right? Yes. So this is what is going to happen by week 4, that you are recording your course and you are learning how to do that massively. Week 5 is all about a perfect webinar breakdown. In future, you will be taking a webinar. You should know how to, have your entire webinar scripted. By week 6, you will learn how to do a one-on-one call for both sales and counseling. Now, what are the two ways of one-on-one? Sometimes there's someone who wants to connect on a one-on-one call and they want to share their problem with you. And then you give them a solution. And then there is a one-on-one call where they want to learn something from you and want to understand from you how can this happen, so you are going to connect for that. So it can be two ways of how your one-on-one calls are, but you will know how to start a call, how to end a call, how to talk in the call, how to present yourself, how to be presentable, how to have your content in such a way, how you can be that inspirational person. And I'm confident to teach you because, like I say, 3 years, 9,000 people for me is a big win. I can help you do that. So of course, I've taken a lot of actions in my life. So can you. If you take actions, this is absolutely possible. You will learn how to take the perfect customer avatar. How does your customer look? How does your client look? You will learn about this in 7th week. 8th week, you will start recording ads for you, and our team is going to help you with the editing of your ads, how to make your ads, how to have your scripting in the ads, how the ad has to be effective. Like till today, I have more than 500 plus ads recorded. I have like 40 courses. Each course has almost like more than 10 or 15 ads. So definitely I must have touched so many ads. And there's something called as a 30 reel formula, which you will be learning. By 9th month, you will learn a basic automation and integration, and you will learn how to design course posters. So remember, I just showed you these are all the course posters which I myself have designed, and I'm going to teach you how you can make them all by yourself. By week 10, you will learn how to price your services or courses, how to design combos, how to package your services. Now, this is very, very important. Like whenever someone says, how much is your counseling? You should know. When someone says, how much are your consultations? You should know. How much are your healing services? You should know. How much are your courses? You should know. Everything has to be crystal clear on how much is this, how much is that, where you don't feel, ज़्यादा हो गया क्या? कम हो गया क्या? You shouldn't feel like that. You should have multiple options, and the perfect pricing for your services should be there. And that is what you'll be learning. You will learn how to design your courses. This is a digital thing that you're doing. Whatever is your digital, how do you make this into something that a person can see and understand what you're doing? So you need to learn designing. So you will learn some amount of designing also, which is going to be super easy for you to package your services. By week 11, I will help you set up your healing space. By week 12, I want to teach you how you can start healing virtually, how you can coach virtually, how you can counsel virtually, and how you can find clients the paid and the non-paid ways. When I talk about paid and non-paid ways, there's one way to find clients without investing a single rupee. You don't put a single rupee to get clients, but you build a system, which I teach in Super Healer, to find clients, right? When you start earning 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs per month, do you mind investing money to get clients? Give me a yes in the chat box or no in the chat box. If you start earning 2, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, whatever, yeah, then I tell you that you can invest some money to get clients. Yeah, you don't mind. Absolutely. To begin your journey as a super healer, you need to learn how to become that super healer. You need to get coaching done, which is a 3 months of coaching, which is going to be live on Zoom, which the batch is starting in April. We already have close to 18 to 20 enrollments for this particular batch. And you need to learn how to become that super healer, which is definitely at a cost. But to get clients, you don't need to put any money. Absolutely, you don't invest any money. You learn systems through which you start getting clients. Through that clients, I teach you how you can earn 1, 2, or 3 lakhs per month. Once you start earning 1 or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs per month, then you can invest and start getting massive clients, which is called as through ads, right? We teach you how you can run ads later. But that is not what I teach in Super Healer. I teach you basically how you can start earning 1, 2, 3 lakhs every single month consistently without the investment of any ads or marketing that you need later. That's the bonus. And apart from that, how to enroll, what is the price, when is the bath starting. How to enroll is today, if you are going to be willing to enroll, then I'm going to ask you for an advance of 999. So I'm going to share the details. You have to pay an advance of 999 today, and the balance you can get an EMI option. I will tell you what it is, what is the price. The batch is starting in the last week of April. So I'll give you the dates. The total charge of the mentorship, I'm going to give you 10 courses worth rupees 30,000. I'm going to give you my video ads editing is going to be 9,000. My 90 days mentorship is going to be 1 lakh rupee. My 2 one-on-one calls with you is going to start, and that's going to cost you 6,000 rupees. The total investment is 1,45,000. That's the value that you're getting. Your entire coaching and healing business will be ready. You as an online coach is going to be ready to launch. Your digital assets are going to be ready. Your lifetime earning in multi-lakhs is going to be ready, right? जब भी हम कोई business करना चाहते हैं, तो first thing is we look for a shop. We do the interior designing. We start painting. We look for staff. We start putting what's the electricity bill, what is the current bill, all of that. So whenever you do, you have to pay an advance, you have to pay a rent, you have to pay a salary, all of that. But as a super healer, you don't need to invest for a shop. You don't need to invest in salaries. You don't need to invest in current bill, water bill, nothing. You just need to invest in yourself. The best investment ever is just on yourself. So if you want to invest in yourself, it's going to be 75,000. And if you feel that at 75,000, I'm ready to earn multi-lakhs every single month, then let me make it a no-brainer. It's not 75,000. It's going to be 66,666. We already have 18 enrollments for the batch 4. This is the batch 4. And if you feel that you want to block your seat, you need to pay 999, and the rest of the 66,666, you get 6 to 8 months EMI where we check your eligibility, and without any extra interest, you will be able to block your seat. So I'm going to leave you a link, which is the 999 rupees that you will be paying. Charan, are you there? Hmm. 100. Let me leave you a link. And okay. Yes. Charan, just check whether you're able to use this link. I want each one of you who wants to be that super healer can pay 999 on this link, and let me know whatever doubts you have. Yes, because we're already done with our, batches. We just have another week to go, before which I want to give you the access. I want to finish my one-on-one calls with you. I want to check whether you're eligible or no. If I think that yes, you are eligible for this, let's do this. If you're not eligible, there's no point taking you and then simply, wasting your time. So definitely pay 999. Check your eligibility, whether you're there or no. And if you decide to go for a super healer program, 999 will definitely be adjusted and you will be paying less 999. All right. So those of you who have booked your seats, let me know. We will connect with you after this and we will book a one-on-one call with you, sit with you, understand, and take this journey forward. And now I want each one of you to raise your hands if you have any doubts around this course and ask me. Even if it's the silliest, stupidest question, feel free to ask that. How is this possible to do? Will I be able to do, or will I not be able to do? Any doubts? What is the monthly installment for 8 months? Divide 66,000 by 8 and that's it. Vasudha, we have this easy EMIs through, it's 8,333 through Bajaj Finance. So the Bajaj Finance guys will get in touch with you and convert this into 8 months without any interest. The interest is borne by me. The processing fee is put on me, and you will just pay the total amount divided by 8, which is 8,333 every month for 8 months. Your super healer journey finishes in, yes. Your super healer journey finishes in 3 months. So there are a lot of people who will think that what happens after 3 months? I mean, agar ho gaya, 3 months. So what next? So let me tell you. I want each one of you who are serious to take this up as a career, to start earning, to start healing, to start teaching, to start transforming lives, to just pay 999 at that Razorpay link. And what happens after 90 days? We have 1 month of internship where you will do the live practice, where we'll sit with you and help you, not me, the other students. So you take one-on-one calls with each other, you do a lot of practice amongst each other, be those tough clients, and you start getting clients and start facing those challenges. And then I will help you live if there's any problem over there. And the biggest promise that I'm going to help you with right now is, if you enroll into Super Healer, this is my promise that till you earn at least 1 lakh rupee every single month for at least 3 months, I'm going to hold your hand. I'm going to keep guiding you, support you. This is going to be a lifetime of a support. If you decide that, yes, I want to take this up and I want to do this. So a lot of people have been able to crack their 1 lakh in the second month only. And I have a lot of testimonials of people who have done that. But there are some people who are a little slow, who are a little not so, aggressive. So they might do it in the 3rd month. They might do it on the 4th month. They might do it in the 5th month. But till you earn your 1 lakh rupee, which is recovering whatever you have invested until now, I'm going to hold your hand. And I want to tell you, each one of you will get your accountability partners. We will have people from my team holding your hand, supporting you, even when the class is not there. If you have any slightest of your doubts, feel free to talk to them and tell them that, I'm stuck here. Can you help me? And they will help you, right? So Snehalata, what is it? What does this mean? Can you unmute yourself and let me know? Where are you? Yes, I think it is Snehalata. I have weak concentration. I forget what I learn. How can I be helped? I am there to help you. You just make up your mind. Snehalata, unmute yourself.
यस मैम यस मैम
Yes,
मैं ये जरूर से करना चाहूंगी मैम थैंक यू मैम
अच्छा, तो आपने
शादी का घर में शादी का माहौल है मैम शादी का माहौल है घर में इसीलिए मैं कैमरा ओपन नहीं कर सक रही हूँ
कोई
और मैं जरूर से ये कोर्स करना चाहूंगी मैम
करना चाहोगे तो अभी 999 पे करके ब्लॉक कर लो अपना।
हाँ मैं वही कर रही हूँ मैं वही कोशिश कर रही हूँ
करने के बाद मेरी टीम आपको शादी के बाद कनेक्ट कर लेगी 1-on-1 कॉल के लिए। ठीक
करेक्ट
है? यस।
करेक्ट थैंक यू मैम
वेलकम टू द कम्युनिटी मैम।
थैंक यू मैम
Yes. Anybody else who has any doubt, feel free to ask. What is it that's stopping you when you felt that, I want to help others? If it's money, I want to tell you that, yes, this is an investment, but don't think this is an expense. This is an investment that you need to do to be developing your own skills. And I've seen a lot of people who said, मैंने क्रिप्टो में डाल के पैसा खोया है, मैंने शेयर्स में डाला, मैंने स्टॉक में डाला, मैंने उसके ऊपर डाला, इसके ऊपर डाला, उधर डाला, इधर डाला एंड खोया है। आई से आपको खुद पे इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए क्यों डर है, राइट? I can understand when you want to invest in someone else, yes, there is a fear. Why are you scared to invest in yourself? If you don't trust yourself, how do you think people will trust you, right? Share the link in WhatsApp group. Vasudha, you can just WhatsApp Charan 63613570028 and he will send you the link. Charan, you can just send her the link on the WhatsApp. Yeah? Yes. Nirmala, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Good evening. It was
Good
a nice
evening.
session. Good
Yes.
learning. I'm very much interested. The thing is, you say you will be paying 999 and you will do a one-on-one call to confirm with your whether I'm eligible or no. Supposing you decide that I'm not eligible, what happens to my 999 then?
Sweetheart, the way you talk, you're eligible. Yeah.
No, that's the second part. But I just wanted to clarify that. Other thing is that I'm traveling this month, May and June. So I won't be able to attend the classes. That is one part. So
You
can
get
I
the
join
recording.
after June? So
No,
after
you get
June.
yeah, you get the recording and then you will have the accountability partner who will be helping you.
but I won't be available on phone. So how can he help me? He or she can help me.
They will send you the recording, which you can see at your own comfort zone.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can do the needful. See, basically, Nirmala ma'am, if you feel that you want to do it, you will find 100 ways to do it. If you feel that
I
no,
understand.
then yes.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm agreeing to it, but only thing the cost part I was little bit was the concern for me, because right
It is
now,
now going to be divided into 8 months EMI, which is 8,333, which should not be a problem.
okay, let me think and get back on that.
Yes, no problem. So Nirmala ma'am or anybody who thinks about money, I don't want you to be like this forever. If you're feeling that, you know, paisa is a problem, the solution over here is paisa should never be the problem. The problem should be something else. Paisa should be like, paisa to hai, ye kaise manage karenge? That should be the mindset. Yes, Vasudha ma'am, let me just have a look and then let you know. Any more doubts, feel free to ask me. Yeah. Maybe this one be silly, even content for video or Instagram will be taught. Yes, it's not silly. Feel free to ask. This is a very important question that you're asking, that how to make content for Facebook and Instagram will be taught. Yes, that will be taught because it's very necessary for you to be visible everywhere. पता है जब भी आप कुछ किसी को बोलते हो, द फर्स्ट थिंग दे सी इज आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके देखेंगे कि सच में ऐसी कोई एग्जिस्ट करता है who is a healer या झूठ बोल रही है. So that's very essential. You will learn that, right? Suprita, it's taught. Jyoti is asking, ma'am, what are the healing courses taught by you? So I teach more than 40 plus healing modalities. So you can choose to learn whichever you feel. I'll leave a link which will have the list of all my courses. So you can learn whichever you feel is necessary. Along with Super Healer, you are getting at least 10 courses. It's included in this, right? Yeah. So Jyoti, is that clear? I'm sharing a link which has the details of the courses that I teach. Any more questions? Yes, Sudha Shah, can you unmute yourself? आप unmute कीजिए. Yes, Vasudha, I've received your 999. Yeah. And Sneha, I've received your 999. And Manasa, I've received your 999. I've received. And who else? Yeah, a few more over here. Yes. Sudasha, unmute yourself. Let me know what is your doubt. Yeah, please unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute or not able to unmute? Yes. बोलिए. आप गायब हो गई मैम शायद बैकग्राउंड में. Yes, yes. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Yes, ma'am. Are you saying something or I'm not able to hear? What is the concern? I'm not able. Yeah, you can speak now. You're muted. I think your question was, I have a weak concentration. I forget what I learn. How can it be helped? The easiest way to help you is whatever you learn, before you forget, you implement it. Your job is done. So you don't have to remember. You just have implemented whatever you have learned. It's that easy, right? So that's what you need to do. Yes. Any more doubts anybody has, feel free to ask me. Okay, ma'am, can we choose any 10? Yes, you can choose any 10 that you want. How much time we have to pay 999? You have 5 more minutes. I'm closing this session right now. So after we finish this session, we're going to book my team will get in touch with whoever has paid. We'll book the calls with them for the, eligibility. And then we will start it by the coming week. And those of you who are talking about competition, if you're not joining now, you're creating more competition, because these people who are joining now are going to be your competition. So join in soon before we have hundreds of super healers that I'm only going to create. All right. So never be scared of competition. Be scared of losing out, missing out, or not taking action. Keep on thinking and thinking like, I wish I had taken action on that day. So for those of you who feel that, you know, अगर मैंने 999 दे दिया, अगर मैं disqualify हो गई, will that money be wasted? I am someone who values money. I will never, ever, your 999 will never be wasted. I will give you two options. The first option is you choose any course for 999 that I have and you get that. And if you feel, no, I want my money back, I don't mind giving you. If you feel that refund is a good energy and you want it, I don't mind giving you. But the best thing is pay that 999, book your seat. Don't think that way. Think about बाकी का पैसा कब दूं और कितना जल्दी मैं एक्सेस लूं, कितना जल्दी मैं अपनी जर्नी एज अ हीलर स्टार्ट करूं और कितनी जल्दी मैं अपने आप को बहुत massively grow करूं. That is the way I think you should think about, and that's the right way to think. So I think we're closing the session by now. To each one of you who took action, congratulations. To each one of you who are thinking, do not think, go ahead and book your seat. Snehalata Kedia, I think Vasudha and others who have taken action. Congratulations. And for the rest of you, wishing you lots of love, lots of luck, lots of money, lots of prosperity, and lots of abundance into your life. Goodbye.